Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the easiest way to format your book and how to create a Mobi file, an Epub file, or even a PDF file for your next book. So stick around.
Now let me show you how to format your book properly through Draft2digital. Just a quick update. Draft2digital is basically a site that distributes your book through all the major platforms that you desire, like Amazon, iTunes, Kobo, whatever you want. But you don't actually need to upload your book through Draft2digital in the sense that they were going to publish it. If you just want to use them to create your EPUB file or your Mobi file, or even your PDF file, you can just use this site for free. So it's actually one of the easiest way to properly format your book. So let me just show you how this works. If you don't have an account yet, just go to draft2digital.com and set up an account. It's very easy to do. And after that, you go to My Books. I already have a couple of books listed here. Let's just show you how to add a new book. So add new book. The first thing you're going to do is include the book details. So you're going to upload the book file. So let's go to Browse. You're going to upload your book file. Let's see where it is. There we go. Let's do this one, Treehouse. All right. Now after that, you can include the title, Treehouse. I'm actually gonna use the book that's already up here, so I have a lot of presets here as well. So it's just to make this video a little bit more quicker. Treehouse. If you have a series, you can include that. If you have a volume number, you can include that. It's not, of course, not necessary. The language is already preset to English. And if you want to have a different release date than the date that you're actually going to upload this book, then you can change this as well. Your contributors. Now, I'm the only contributor, so you're going to have this name right here. And this already is up here because you already made your account with Draft2digital. If you want to change that, you can change that and upload a different one. It's very easy. The description. I already have the description right here on my website. So I'm basically going to copy and paste this. Copy and paste this. Oh, Control V. There we go. Okay, then the publisher, that's me. If you have an ISBN number, you can include this, but for an ebook, you don't need an ISBN number. And I think that Draft2digital will automatically give you one anyway, so you can leave this blank. These are your categories. You can list up to 5 categories through this site, but the most retailers, like say Amazon, only allows up to 2. There is a different way around that. You actually can use 10 categories on a site like Amazon, but they have to email them, and that's a different subject for now. If you want to know how that works, I have a different video about formatting as well, where you can actually see how that works. So I'm just gonna do 2. So you can just type it in. So it's a horror story. So it's a fiction, horror, and I want to have a suspense as well. Suspense. There we go. Thrillers, suspense. If you have some search terms, include these terms as well. So like it's a horror story. I already have a couple of presets here. Include as many as you can. And I don't know if you actually have a maximum, but I just include as much as I can. These are actually the terms that people will go look for. So the more you have, the easier it's going to be, of course. And to actually find good terms, there's also a way around that. You can use like a program like KDP Rocket to find the right ones, but that's a different subject matter as well. So after that, you go save and continue. And the second step is the layout. So I have no clue why the image is on your layout form, but that's just how they roll basically. We'll go to browse and we're going to add the right image. There we go. So these are the image. If you want to include any end or front matter, Draft2digital will actually help you with that. So if you want to have a title page or a copyright page or dedication, and also by whatever, they can help you with that as well. Normally, what I do, I just make sure I do that everything in my Word document, so I know how it's going to look, the way that I actually want that. But if you wanna, if you don't have a copyright page, you can include that within Draft2digital. So I'm just going to leave this open right here. The also by if you have other books already uploaded through Draft2digital and you want then to interlink them, you can include that by checking here this also by button. Now here's my chapter layout. It's a short story, so I don't have that many chapters. It's a title page, copyright page. This is actually the story. I have a thank you page, and I have some free samples of my novels. So that's basically it. Then you can go save and continue. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, so this is how your book is actually going to end up. So this is actually not the beginning. This is the beginning. So it's going to look like this, like that, table of content. This is basically it's going to look like. Just go over that, see how everything looks like, if everything is formatted properly. If it's not, I actually had a problem with this a couple of days ago. One of my sentences, or this sentence, was down here. So it was a big problem because it didn't look okay. You actually can't change that inside of Draft2digital. So if you do have that problem, go back to your Word file. And the problem possibly is going to be that right here, you probably entered. And if you use enter, then it looks okay on your Word document. But in the back side of the Word document, it doesn't look okay. So what you want to do, you can actually find that by go to Start and press this little button right here. Then you actually can see where all the inserts are, where all the pages are. And to fix that, probably go to the end of your page and then just go to insert, oh, there we go, insert page. So you have a page end. So never enter, always do the page end. Okay, what else we got? So if you want to change this, so let's say this is draft to simple, but if you want to change that, so I have a mystery and thriller. So let me go back a bit to show you how that gonna look like. So this is basically how it looks now. But I have, you do like Nevermore, then this will go bold a bit. And you can include stuff like this, like a crime or classy mystery. So if you do want to include that, you can. And after that, you can just download your file. So if you want to need a Mobi file or Epub file or even a PDF, you can just download this. It's completely free, so you can use this EPUB to upload it to Amazon as well. If you are going only with Amazon, you can use that. And if you do want Draft2digital to publish your book, you just go, I reviewed this manuscript, you go save and continue. And then you can see where you want to list it. So this is your book price, so it's going to be for free for me. These are all the sites they work for, so work with. So Barnes & Noble, Kobo, Apple, Tolino. Amazon, you're actually not allowed to have a perma-free book on Amazon, at least not in this way. There is a way around that. So what I will gonna do is gonna upload this book through all the other sites. And when it's up, I'm gonna ask Amazon, I'm gonna upload first the book to Amazon separately through my KDP dashboard. Make sure that you're not gonna go exclusive with Amazon. So don't do the Kindle Select, just upload it. And then just send them an email and ask them to price match the book. And often they will do that. And the rest is basically self-explanatory. So if you want to have a library service, and after that you can submit it. That's basically it.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe. And if you want to check out more movies about publishing your book or writing, I have some more links here on the left and the right. See you in the next video.